This video will be a review of the Exodus crypto wallet. Whether you're looking for a new crypto wallet or just getting into crypto wallets, this video will help inform you on the crypto wallet offered by Exodus. So, what is Exodus? Exodus is a free software wallet that allows users to download, access, and use it without any charges. When receiving cryptocurrencies, there are no fees associated. However, when sending cryptocurrencies, users are required to pay network fees for the transaction. These fees can be customized for BTC and ETH transactions. While the basic usage of Exodus is free, there are fees involved when exchanging assets within the wallet. The wallet charges a spread fee on these transactions, and the wallet maker earns revenue by taking a percentage of the proceeds. These spreads and fees are common in both centralized crypto exchanges and wallets like Exodus, but it's important to check the rates at the time of the transaction to ensure a favorable deal. So now on to review of the Exodus crypto wallet. The criteria we'll be covering is usability and features, pros and cons, and the final verdict. Usability and features. Transactions and swaps. With Exodus, you can perform various types of crypto transactions, including purchases and swaps. It allows you to easily exchange one cryptocurrency for another with just a few clicks. Staking and Web3 connectivity. Exodus supports staking on select cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn rewards for holding and supporting the network. It also provides Web3 connectivity, enabling seamless access to decentralized applications through its browser extension. NFT storage. Exodus enables you to store non-fungible tokens within the wallet, providing a convenient way to manage and showcase your digital collectibles. Hot wallet security. Exodus is a hot wallet, which means it keeps your crypto keys on an internet-connected device. While this offers convenience, it's important to note that for an extra layer of security, you can pair Exodus with a cold wallet, such as devices from Trezor, to keep your crypto offline and protected against data breaches. Cross-platform accessibility. Exodus offers desktop, mobile, and browser-based applications, allowing you to access your wallet across multiple devices. You'll need to enter your security recovery phrase each time you set up the wallet on a new device for added security. Educational resources. Exodus provides a solid library of educational content, particularly useful for newcomers to crypto. You can find resources on crypto security and learn more about digital assets in general. Portfolio tracking. For advanced users, Exodus offers tools to track your crypto investments. The desktop and mobile apps provide features that help you monitor the performance of your portfolio. Easy-to-use interface. Exodus prides itself on its user-friendly and intuitive interface. It offers a one-click, easy-to-use layout, making it accessible to users with varying levels of experience in the crypto community. Private keys and hardware wallet support. Exodus ensures that all transaction data and private keys are stored on your device, enhancing security and privacy. It supports hardware wallets like Trezor Model T and Trezor One, allowing you to safely store your cryptocurrencies. Wallet restoration. Exodus provides two methods of restoring your wallet. Firstly, you can use a 12-word passphrase given during the account creation process, allowing you to regain access to your crypto even if your device is lost or damaged. Secondly, you can restore your wallet through an email sent to your linked account, providing an additional backup option. Built-in portfolio and trade functions. Exodus offers built-in portfolio tracking and trade functions, making it easy to swap between different cryptocurrencies and monitor your daily profits or losses within the wallet. Multiple cryptocurrency support. You can store more than 100 digital coins in a single place using Exodus, simplifying the management and spending of various cryptocurrencies. Automatically adjustable fees. Exodus adjusts transaction network fees automatically, making it beginner-friendly for those who are not confident in setting the correct fee themselves. Customer support. Exodus provides professional and responsive customer support to assist users with any inquiries or issues they may encounter. Shapeshift integration. Exodus is integrated with Shapeshift, a popular crypto exchange, enabling anonymous and straightforward cryptocurrency exchanges within the wallet. Now we will cover the pros and cons of the Exodus wallet. The pros: easy setup process, supports 291 cryptocurrencies, exceptional customer service, regular update schedule, staking available, works on desktop, mobile, and browser apps, simple interface for trading, staking, and tracking investments, hardware wallet support, free to download with no registration required, and one-click crypto exchanges anytime. The cons: lack of two-factor authentication security protection, no support for crypto to fiat conversion, not open source, lack of custom fee support for altcoins. Other wallets support more cryptocurrencies. There's no way to buy cryptocurrency in the app. Mobile app supports less cryptocurrencies. The final verdict. In summary, Exodus Crypto Wallet stands out as one of the best hot wallets available, particularly for beginners. Its intuitive user interface, simple navigation, and exceptional customer support make it highly user-friendly. The inclusion of staking options for a wide range of crypto assets, support for dApps and NFTs, and an inbuilt exchange further enhance its appeal. While the lack of 2FA security is a concern for users with significant holdings, implementing good security practices can mitigate risks. Additionally, integration with the Trezor hardware wallet provides an added layer of security. Overall, Exodus offers a convenient and accessible solution for managing and exchanging cryptocurrencies, making it an attractive choice for users looking to migrate their portfolios away from major exchanges. Thanks for watching this review of the Exodus Crypto Wallet. If you want to get an Exodus wallet, then please use the link in the description to support the channel. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next